learn Korean in fun way. Hi, my name is Wonji. I'm originally from Seoul, Korea. I speak standard Korean. I can help you to speak like a K-pop star. I'm very cheerful, open-minded person. I travel 31 countries and love learning new cultures. I'm also beginner of Spanish, French, Chinese, Arabic. I know how hard it is to learn a new language. I totally feel you. So I'm here to help you to learn Korean in fun way. In my class, you talk a lot, like chatting with best friend. My goal is not only make you speak like Korean, but also not afraid of making mistakes. If you're shy to speak Korean, have class with me. You'll feel so much confident, make so many Korean friends. We will talk about fun daily topics like food, travel, K-pop, dramas, movies, anything you want. Also, I'll share my secrets about how to speak like real Korean, like daily expressions and trendy words. 저랑 수업을 꾸준히 하고 나면 한국 사람들이 깜짝 놀라서 혹시 한국 사람이냐고 물어볼 거예요. 한국 사람처럼 자연스럽게 말할 수 있도록 정확한 발음과 자주 쓰는 표현, 한국 사람들의 생각, 문화까지 어려운 단어도 쉽게 한국어로 설명해 줄게요. 그러면 바로 저랑 함께 신나게 수업해봐요. I'm so excited to see you in my class. 안녕! 하트 뿅뿅뿅!